Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Once again, IndiGo Airlines, India's biggest and world's 7th largest airline according to fleet size, is recruiting. And this time they are recruiting Fresher Trainee for QA and TS, that is for Quality Department. Watch this video till end to know each and everything about it. So let's get started. First question comes to mind, why only IndiGo is hiring for so many posts? It's not true. There are other airlines, especially new airlines like Flybe and Air Taxi are also hiring, but they are new and want experienced persons. But the best thing about IndiGo is they are rapidly expanding and inducting new aircrafts every month, and they have the best network in Indian aviation industry, and that's why they can hire the freshers and less experienced person, train them and provide them support. So if you are looking to start your career in aviation, then IndiGo is the best option for you. Now let's see for which department they are hiring. IndiGo is hiring for engineering department. Under that, quality department, and actually a camo department comes under quality division. So they are hiring for continuing airworthiness management organization, that is camo. Now question comes what they need. They want you to be familiarized with CAME, that is continuing airworthiness management exposition, MOE, that is maintenance organization exposition, also TPM, technical procedure manual, also familiarization with various AMOs, and learn to capture various types of data from the modules as required in QA TS. You must be familiar with various reports, forms, inspection schedules used in QA TS. We are hearing QA TS everywhere, so what actually it is? I also was not knowing about it, so I read about it and found out that it actually stands for Quality Assurance and Test Service, a software program which maintains all the data related to camo. Also, to improve your practical knowledge, you must associate with technical officer and assist them on various day-to-day work. You must be having familiarization with working procedure of various verticals in QATS like record section, training cell, mod cell, aircraft maintenance program, audit section, reliability, etc. You must assist in carrying out any project's data analysis or any other assignments as directed by quality manager from time to time. Also, any other assignment as given by sectional head. Now there is no mention of any salary or perks you will receive, but at the end of this video I will let you know about it, so watch till end. Let us see eligibility criteria. They have clearly mentioned in education qualification that they want candidate from BTech, electrical or electronics or mechanical or aeronautical engineering divisions. So if you are from this background, then you will be preferred more. But if you are from AME background and looking for fresher job in airlines, then you must try your luck here. Send your resume and start preparing for interview. It will be free of cost and you can also learn many new things about camo and quality related works. To apply for this job, visit goindigo.app.param.ai/job, and in that there are various opportunities available, currently 10 opening, and in that click Trainee QA and TS and sign up. If you have not, then fill up your details. They are actually hiring for Gurugram, the headquarters of IndiGo Airlines and its parent company InterGlobe Enterprise. Remember, this is golden opportunity during such difficult time. The experience you will gain here will help you for other camo department jobs and not in maintenance, so it's a little drawback if you are from AME background. So the salary I was talking about not mentioned in it, but I asked my source working in airline and they told me that the salary is 10,000, a joining salary for fresher, or you can say trainee. It's not bad and it will increase with increase in your work experience. So that was all for today. To receive such job and aviation related informative updates and videos, then please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get notification. Also share this video with everyone and give it a like. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe.